Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video. Halal Chef presents. For the strawberry mojito, in with the strawberries, you want to muddle them. Fresh lime juice, some of the lemon juice as well. Some of this fresh mint, and with some of this grenadine, it has been mixed with some of the strawberry essence. Now in with the ice, and finally in with the soda water. And finally I'm gonna garnish it with some of this strawberry. Looks so refreshing. Blueberry mocktail with some of the mint, lemon and lime. Here with the blueberries, light brown sugar, few mint leaves, and we're gonna muddle all this. Exactly what we're looking for. Fresh juice of lemon and lime. Here with the ice. Here with the blue curacao syrup. And finally of course some of the soda water. Give that a little shake. And now you can garnish it with some of the fresh mint. That looks so refreshing, trust me. Our mouth-watering blueberry mocktail, done. For the lychee and mint mocktail, it was a lychee, it was the mint leaves, a slice of lime, pinch of this sugar. Now muddle everything. It was the elderflower cordial, throw in the ice. And now finish with soda water. And here we have our mouth-watering lychee and mint mocktail. For the mocktail, we're gonna start by making a syrup. Here with the fresh raspberries. Here with the sugar. For some acidity, I'm using lemon juice. With a really good touch of lemon zest, and with a lot of freshness. Half a cinnamon stick. This is not cassia bark. Just a small pinch of sea salt. And finally some water. Now you wanna mix and cook this on low heat until the syrup comes together. And now you wanna pass the syrup through a sieve. As it cools down, it will thicken. Squeeze out all the raspberries. And it's a prep of a mocktail with the fresh raspberries, slice of lemon, fresh mint leaves. To add some fragrance, I'm using juniper berries. Crush everything down to release all the flavor and juices. Some of the sugar syrup to remove any bitterness. And finally our raspberry syrup. Now throw in some crushed ice. Here with the soda water. Finally, you can garnish it with some of the mint leaves or lemon. For a refreshing watermelon margarita, first we're gonna prep the glass. I've got equal amount of salt and cayenne pepper. Grab your glass and some of the lime or lemon on the edges. And now this goes into the salt mixture. Make sure to coat it properly. Exactly what we're looking for, just set aside. Now grab yourself a blender with the watermelon. Get rid of the seeds if you can. Some of these fresh mint leaves, juice of lemon and lime. It was some of the sugar. I also like to use some of the black salt in that. Now you want to cover and blend this. Bismillah. If you like it more nice and smooth, then you can pass it through a sieve. Grab your glass in with the ice. Here with our refreshing watermelon margarita.
Brutality.
Garnish it with some of the fresh lime and mint. Oh my god, that looks so good. You guys gonna absolutely love this. For the kiwi mocktail, grab yourself a blender in with the fresh mint, few chunks of pineapple, it with the zest of lemon and lime, it with the juice of whole lime, and juice of half a lemon. Gonna flavor with some of the juniper berries, with the kiwi, going in with the sugar and a touch of water. Cover and blend this until nice and smooth. And now to prep the mocktail in with the ice, with our kiwi puree. Add in some of these kiwi slices, and finally some of this diet soda water. Give that a mix. You can garnish it with some of this fresh mint. That looks so refreshing. Mexican style mocktail. Here with the fresh grapefruit juice, here with the fresh orange juice as well. Here with the juice of fresh lime, sugar to taste. Here with the ice, and finally with the soda water. Garnish with some of the fresh lime. Our refreshing Mexican style mocktail. Done. Looks so good. For our raspberry lemonade, here with the fresh raspberries. 2 slices of lemon, some of this lime, 1 sprig of fresh thyme, some of this sugar, you could use sugar syrup instead. And finally some of this raspberry syrup. Now give that a good muddle. Alright, so that looks great. Throw in the ice, and finally with the soda water. Now cover this up and give this a good shake. Now grab your chilled glass. Now pour that in slowly. Our refreshing raspberry lemonade. Done. It looks amazing. For our mango mocktail in with the fresh mangoes, some of this nectarine, lemon, a few mint leaves, touch of this sugar, and you want to muddle this. Squeeze in a touch of orange, some of this fresh mango juice, elderflower cordial, in with the ice, and with the soda water. Garnish with some of this fresh mint. That looks so refreshing. For our blue lagoon mocktail, in with the slices of lemon, a slice of lime as well, some of these mint leaves. Now you want to muddle this. And I with some of the sugar syrup. And some of this blue curacao syrup. You can get this from Amazon. I will leave the links down below. It has a sweet, orange, fragrant flavor. It's very nice. Give that a mix and have a little taste of that. It with some of this ice. It with the lemon lime soda water without the sugar. Garnish it with some of this fresh mint. For the pineapple margarita, with the pineapple, some of this lime and lemon, few mint leaves, fresh pineapple juice, orange, with the sugar syrup, and finally throw in some ice. Now cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Now you can pass it through a sieve into a chilled glass. It looks so mouth-watering. Have amazing pineapple margarita. Done. Are we gonna start by cutting out the fruit? Here I've got oranges, apple, peaches, kiwi, lemon and lime. Make sure to wash your fruit before cutting them, and you want to thinly slice your fruit but not too thin. Now if you want, you can cut them a bit smaller so you can serve them with your drink. Now grab a big jug or a bowl where we're gonna add all of our fruit and juices. Throw in all of the sliced fruit, cardamom sugar syrup, orange juice, pomegranate juice. You could also use blueberries and strawberries if you like. Give that a really good mix. And you want to let it marinate in the fridge for at least a few hours so it really develops that flavor. It's been a few hours, so grab your mixture. Add in some of those juices. Throw in the ice. Add in some of the fruit. Finish it off with sparkling or soda water. Touch of fruit on the side. Beautiful. This Indian style lemonade. With the lemon, lime, sugar, dry mango powder, with the black salt, a light touch of cumin in there. Some of this mixed masala. I also like some of the tamarind paste in there. Now muddle up everything. Some of the fresh mint leaves. With the ice. And finally some of the soda water. A good mix to that. And finally you can garnish it with some of the fresh mint. That looks so refreshing. For the blue lemonade with the lemon and lime, fresh mint leaves, pinch of the sugar, give that a good muddle. Then with the blue curacao syrup, and finally you're gonna add in the soda water. You can throw in some of the ice if you like, or just use the chilled soda water in the glass. So refreshing. We're gonna start with a piece of lime and sugar. Muddle these together. Release all those beautiful oils and the juices from this lime. Throw in 6 to 7 pieces of mint leaves and just press them lightly. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add in the ice, soda or sparkling water. Garnish it with some fresh mint. Now that's a classic mojito mocktail without any alcohol. On to the next one. Grab your glass. In with the blended mint, lime juice, sugar syrup. Throw in the crushed ice, soda or sparkling water. Give this a slight mix. Finish here with some fresh mint. Now that looks amazing. I've added a bit of the lime as well. On to the next one. Grab your glass. Add in some of the lime, some of the mint, and here I've got some of these juniper berries, if you can see. It has that flowery aroma, you know. So I'm just gonna throw those in. In with our sugar syrup, 1:1 ratio. Muddle this. Alright, so that looks good. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of these basil seeds that were soaked in water. I will add some more after. Just throw that in. Half a teaspoon of black salt. A fresh squeeze of lemon. Hopefully there's no any seeds. Give this a little mix. Throw in the crushed ice. In with soda or sparkling water. Finish with a touch of basil seeds on the top. Give this a slight mix. Finish with a touch of fresh mint. And a touch of the blended mint. Alright, let's try our strawberry mojito. It looks so refreshing. Let's get our strawberry first. Bismillah. The strawberry is good. Alright, let's sip this. Bismillah. That is so refreshing. What a perfect way to end this meal. Please do me a favor and share this video with your family and friends. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.